Hey everybody, today we are heading up to a statue of a monk. I'll have to put in the description what it is. It's the biggest statue of this monk in Thailand, and we are heading up there to see it. Let's climb these stairs and go see this big guy. It's really cool. Wow, it's big. Placing gold leaf on the little statue as an offering, I think. There's a few of these around. It's warm up here. There's Jamie. Let's get this. Well, I hope that wasn't disrespectful of me to bang the gong, but I had to do it. It's really nice up here. Let's do one last look at this big guy and go check out some other stuff here. Let's go down these stairs. Right, Jamie?
Yep.
It's a pretty good sized temple on this property. It's beautiful in the sunlight. I hope the glare's not too bad in the camera. Now I have shorts on, so I'm not going to go up into the temple. But it's beautiful. And there's a smaller one to the side over there. And we have Jamie walking up with Big Monk behind her. Now I know at one time I read the significance of the big roosters, chickens at temples, but this place has a huge collection of them. Check this out. like 10 feet tall. And I know a lot of people come here and leave them. Like down there, a bunch of little ones, bigger ones. Really cool. And here we have different animals: horses, elephants, zebras. Then in the background, the big monk. And here they got where you can buy the roosters to place.
Can we play?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
They're put in here.
Oh, okay, donation.
Yes. And you want some flowers?
Yeah, thank you. Beautiful.
50 baht donation. Ah, pretty flowers and incense.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Thank you. Kapun kap.
Oh, smell good. They smell good.
Yeah, very nice.
Thank you. And you
Kapun kap.
You just put it down?
Uh-huh. There's a whole section up there.
Okay. Thank
There's a
you.
whole section.
Okay.
Kapun kap.
Welcome.
Beautiful.
Pretty chic. Lady was really kind. Gave us little marigolds, I think, and incense. And we're gonna place the roosters down here.
Okay, do it quick.
Now the lady said we'll have good luck for doing this, and that's really super cool. I like it. I think I've said super cool a lot in this video. Sorry. There's our incense and flowers.
Flowers. Smells so good. They're so beautiful.
Oh, wow.
I've never had marigolds smell like that. It's beautiful.
Well, that was a really fun outing. We are home now, and I just wanted to show you where we put those flowers that really nice lady gave to us. Our leased house came with this shelf with a little version of the statue we just went to see of the monk, and we figured it was appropriate to put the flowers where he is sitting. Thank you for watching, and look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.